Now you have executed this program. As you all know, it will be a little bit confusing. So what comes here is, now we'll write another program using else if clause. Now what is else if? It is also if statement only, but we are not uh, nesting it. It is written outside the bracket, outside the flower bracket. So we'll, instead of r equals to r is greater than 60, I'll give it r double equals to. Else if, currently I'll give it else if. In the next video you'll understand uh, how how to use logical operators, means couple of if statements in a single video, but until now we'll learn else if statements. Now once we complete this if, now what we want to give one more if statement, but instead of nesting it, we can use another statement, that is else if. Once we complete this, I'll write it from the beginning. Once we accept the input from the keyboard, we write if r double equals to 10, printf, always write a bracket for the good practice of programming, printf two less marks. Now this is one statement. Now what we can do is, instead of nesting it once again, we can write else if statement, that is one more if statement without nesting it. Else if, but in the else if we need to give condition here. Now how to write else if is, it is quite similar to writing if statement, but before if statement we need to write else and give a space. Always remember, we should give space. If we delete space, it will be in the green font. It indicates that we are writing it wrong. It should be always else if r double equals to 20, printf even this is not good. We can have as many as else if statement is want. Else if r double equals to 30, printf this is just too close to pass. Now you can have as many as number of else if statements, but at the end you need to write only single else. Else, no condition will be there for else, only else, that's it. Printf finally you passed. Finally you cleared. So this is how we work with else if clause. When you are executing a single statement, single printf will be there. These brackets are not necessary, but always, as a good programming practice, we need to give else. We need to have brackets, but I'll run without brackets now. Percentage. As I have given double equals to sign, means it will be exactly what the number should be. So I'll give it 20. Even this is not good. This is what the printf will. This is how it will be executed. But instead of 21, I'll give it. This will be the output because I have given comparison operator. Instead of comparison operator, if I give greater than operator, I'll run it. I'll give 12. It will show this. I'll delete and that greater than everywhere here. What the problem will be is, if I give 66, all the outputs will be displayed. 2 less marks. Sorry, what r is greater than 20? What the output will be? It is showing in uh, because what happens here is, this condition is cleared. So what the computer will do is, if this condition is true, it will execute this condition itself, and it will not come here only. The compiler will not execute this part. So whatever you give the input here, even if you give 200 or something, it will show 2 less marks only, because it has cleared this condition. If that condition is false, finally you cleared. Else, because else what happens, from directly this part, the compiler will jump to this part. So this is what the problem is. So because to avoid this problem, we need to make use of logical operators. I will be telling this what logical operators will be in the next video, but in this video you have understood how to use else if function, else if clause. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.